Hi everyone, this is Roshni from Roshni Boutique Bangalore head office. So as you guys know, we are opening so many franchisee. So the thought behind that to give a platform to all the women who are homemakers, housewives. So because as we have seen a lot of struggles in our life, so I don't want them to see that when they want to start something as a business. So it's a kind of franchisee. It's not exactly franchisee. So I hope you guys will love them. So whatever views about Roshni Boutiques, it's not about only opening it, it's about the after sale also. The product quality, the rates and everything it's involved. So that only makes a brand complete successful. So and all because of you guys also, because you guys love us so much, so that we can reach to each and every corners of India. So here are some views of them. So hope you guys will love it. Thank you.
Hello all, I'm Simran from Simran's Clothing Palette powered by Roshni.
Hi guys, this is Bhagya from Krishna's Boutique powered by Roshni.
Hi and hello to each and everyone. This is Anjum from KK Libas powered by Roshni.
Myself, Sheetal Patil. I have a store, Mirala, powered by Roshni.
Hello friend, this is Sheetal from Showstopper powered by Roshni. Hello friend, this is Sheetal from Showstopper powered by Roshni. Today I would like to share my experience about the franchisee. It's been almost 1 week and I got wonderful response. It's more than my expectations and I really feel proud to be associated with this brand and obviously with Roshni ma'am and their entire team. They are very cooperative and always thankful to Roshni ma'am. Roshni ma'am, you are the inspirations to all of us. So guys, please follow my page on Facebook and for any order or query you can WhatsApp me on 9315171290 or you can visit our outlet at SD111 Sector 45 Noida near Kidzi Place. Thank you so much.
Hi and hello to each and everyone. This is Anjum from KK Libas powered by Roshni. I would love to share few things about Roshni Boutique, which my daughter is going to continue.
So we are the first franchisee owners of Roshni Boutique and it is a great opportunity to go with Roshni, to do business with her, and Roshni as a person is very sweet, humble, down to earth, and a big thanks for her to giving us the opportunity to run this boutique. And a big thank you to Roshni and her team as well, who has been supporting us through each and every step. Another person I would like to thank is Pooja, who has been with us in each and every step and helping us in each and every step of this business. And this Roshni Boutique platform is very huge. It's a huge platform and we would love to grow more than this. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook and do visit our store KK Libas powered by Roshni, Spencer Road, Frasertown, Bangalore.
Hi guys, this is Bhagya from Krishna's Boutique powered by Roshni. Today I'll tell you the story of Krishna's Boutique, how it was established. It was my lucky day when I approached Roshni for the franchise. She had lot of expectation from Ballari franchise, especially because it is her hometown and it is the place from where Roshni started her own business. After me approaching, many people approached Roshni for the franchise, but Roshni is the person who stands on her principles and business ethics. She never entertained anyone, but she gave the franchise to me only as she promised in the first. And when I completed my boutique and when the first video of my outlet I sent to her, she was so happy that she promised to come and inaugurate my boutique. After my opening, people's response was so rapid that I was just mesmerized by it. People loved the quality of the cloth, designs and price. Within 5 days, I didn't even expect this. Within 5 days, I had to restock the material because people were just flooding. And today I want to tell you one more thing, that I'm really thankful and for the whole team of Roshni for helping me to put up my boutique. It was Roshni and especially Pooja, of course, the manager, who helped me to set up my boutique. I really thank Roshni because she's inspiring newcomers and she's giving a platform for the business. She's helping us so much that though we don't have any idea of clothing. She's just giving us a ready-made platform to set up our own business. I'm very happy today to tell that I'm a member of Roshni Boutique family. It was my dream to set up my own business, and the result is here. It is only because of Roshni and Pooja. Thank you guys. I just love you all. Thank you, friends.
Hi all. Passion in life always makes you crazy. You often dream of something. Clothes always fascinated me. While browsing on Facebook, I came across Roshni Boutique videos. It was so easy to understand the design, patterns of dress. All clothes look so stunning and with the latest fashion. I fell in love with the collection. I visited Roshni Boutique and I was mesmerized after seeing her collection. I approached Pooja, one of the charming and hardworking lady of Roshni Boutique family. She gave me the appointment. First time when I met Roshni ma'am, I was so excited. She explained me all the details and I booked the franchisee. During this period, I felt so attached to Roshni Boutique. Everyone working over there are so experienced, they are hardworking and they are very cooperative. They work day in and day out as a team and are dedicated to customer service. I want to thank Roshni ma'am for making me an entrepreneur, businesswoman from a homemaker. I am happy that I got the opportunity to work with such a wonderful team. Roshni ma'am, how to describe her? She has a different charisma, highly enthusiastic and hardworking woman. She is meticulous with her work and her designs are always to fall in love with. She is highly inspiring and motivating woman. Myself, Sheetal Patil. I have a store, Mirala, powered by Roshni at Hebbal, Bengaluru. Please do visit our store. My phone number is 9901631972. Do follow us and sync yourself with the latest trends. Thank you.
Hello all, I am Simran from Simran's Clothing Palette powered by Roshni Delhi Outlet, and today sharing my experience about Team Roshni. That's a family, I should say, because I connect to Roshni and Pooja. Her marketing helps so well that it just feels like a family, and I just don't feel that I have only a business relationship with them. And her entire team, all the girls, Iha, Pooja and Roshni herself, they put their heart and soul in everything they do. The amount of working hours they are putting, their hard work in everything they do, it is just commendable. And whenever I ask them for any query or I share any problem with them, they are just ready to serve. So I give them 100 on 100 to the entire Roshni team, because the hard work they are putting to grow as a brand is just commendable, and their success and popularity today is a benchmark for all. And I keep telling Roshni personally also that, being the youngest in her team, I tell her many times that you are just a motivation, you are an influencer, you are an inspiration, you are like a mentor to me. So I feel really proud to be associated with Roshni Boutique Bangalore, as it's a women-led organization. And here at Delhi Outlet, this is my team, all women team I have, which is ready to serve you at J137, shop number 6, Main Market, Rajouri Garden, New Delhi. And we are open for all retail clients, online resellers and wholesalers. You just need to contact us at 9811 911 781. Thank you.